In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bots to Slack. We're going to use Slack's built-in reminders bot, which is a simple and reliable way to get automated help inside your channels without installing anything extra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger the bot, target the right audience, and send your reminder so it posts at the time you choose. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your workspace so you land in the Slack web app. Everything we're doing here works in the desktop app too, but using the browser makes it easy to follow along. Next, click into the channel where you want the bot to operate. This can be a team channel, a project channel, or even a direct message if the reminder is just for you. Picking the right place matters because that's where the bot will post the reminder when it's time. Now look at the message box at the bottom of the channel. This is where you'll invoke the bot using a / command. Type out remind. This single command is how you talk to Slack's reminders bot. When you start with a /, Slack knows you're asking a bot to do something instead of sending a regular message. You may notice Slack offering tips as you type. That's normal and can help you format the reminder. After typing remind, mention who the reminder is for, then write the reminder message. You can mention yourself, a teammate, or the whole channel. To mention a person, type the @ symbol followed by their name. For example, you could target yourself, a specific teammate, or @channel if everyone needs to see it. Then type the message you want the bot to post, like submit weekly status update. As you write, it helps to include when you want the reminder to run. The reminders bot understands natural language like tomorrow at 9 a.m., next Tuesday, or every Monday. If you don't add timing right away, Slack may prompt you to complete the schedule, so feel free to add it in line to keep things smooth. When your command looks good, click send or press enter. The bot will immediately reply with a confirmation showing who it will remind, what it will say, and when it will post. That's how you know it worked. When the time arrives, the bot posts the reminder right in the channel or DM you chose. And that's it. You've just added a bot-driven reminder to your Slack workspace with a simple / command. This approach is fast, clear, and keeps your team on track without extra apps.